All right, guys. So we had a massive rainstorm the other night and we found a small leak. So it wasn't bad, but it did leave a little bit of water just around in the corner. So we're just drying the woods and make sure that we don't get any mold in the camper. And this is our solution. We lifted up a mattress and just taking the heaters and just drying the wood up. And I think my husband was rather inventive with doing all of this. And then now we just have to figure out how to stop the little small leak that we have coming in. But other than that, everything is going fine. Just a little small challenge. All right. And if you guys have any solutions, any of my camper, van life, or RV livers out there, guys, y'all make some comments and give us some solutions. It's more than welcome. Thank you.